Today we're going to take a look at the MRCARTOOL C210 plastic repair welding machine. The MRCARTOOL C210 is specifically designed for auto body repair and is compatible with 99% of vehicle plastics, including cars, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, and more. It features 5 different heat settings from 15 watts to 80 and heats fast from 1 to 2 seconds. Finally, it includes a variety of staples, an LED light for dark environments, and is super easy to use. We'll try it out on a cracked piece of bumper cover plastic using the 0.6mm wave staples. And this is the first time I've used a tool like this, so we'll see how it goes. So it says to insert the staple till it stops. Hit the button. When it heats up the staple, press it in. And I think we'll go a little hotter in this one. You can see it turn red hot. At this point, you can finish the repair any way you like. You could DA sand or rough up this back side, add some filler for strength, and on this side, you'll DA sand this, fill it, prime it, and paint it. The tool also comes with a plastic welding tip, and we'll give that a try. We'll just clamp this crack together. And here's a close-up shot of what that looks like. This plastic welder was an absolute pleasure to use and will be a handy tool to have for auto body repair and other plastic repairs around the house. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the MRCARTOOL C210 plastic welder. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.